Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check for software updates on your Mac OS device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Apple icon at the top left corner of your desktop on the top toolbar. Just go ahead and left click on that and select About This Mac. Select the Software Update button. Okay, so there you go, guys. You can see it says we're up to date, so that's about it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.